We are yet again in Murang'a County showcasing this beautiful 3-bedroom bungalow done using precast. From what you can see, this house is very unique, not the common type. You see we have done a Skillon roof, a Skillon incorporated with a gable roof. So you can see how beautiful and how well it has come out. You can see we have 3 levels. Actually, it's 2 initially from the render. It was 2 level, but once we did the one side, the client insisted or requested us to do it in 3 levels. So from the front facade, you can see 3 different levels of roofs. Now here you can see how colorful our client is. You can see the colors that we have used. The gray starts light and it becomes darker as you go down. We have not used the dark bituminous paint for the skirting. We have used a dark shade of gray. And you can see here we have a ramp and stairs for our entrance. So this is for one who is able to climb those stairs, and you can see how big they are. This is upon the client request. And here we have a ramp. We did the ramp, but the client did the railing for herself because you see how big it is. The ground seemed very flat, but once we did our foundation, it was a bit, it was slanting. So that is why you can see we are very high. Our foundation is very high, and the back it's like 0. You're on the ground. So that's why we have this ramp, where if you are differently able or if you're using a wheelchair, you can come in very well using the ramp to our house entrance. So here we have the entrance of our home. Initially from the design, this was open. This was an open porch where you can come and relax, but the client decided to add this grill, which she chose the design herself and also did it by herself. So here, after our front porch, we get into our house. Our house, you can see the first thing is a window, so you can tell this house has very many windows and has a lot of light. So we get into our sitting area. This is our sitting room. Paintworks are ongoing. We are almost complete. What is remaining is a few paintworks and cabinetry. We are winding up on the cabinetry works. So this is the lounge. You can see it's very spacious. Then from the lounge, we have also done our electrical fittings. You can see our down lighters, our sockets, and our bulbs. We have done all that. So here is where we have our dining area. This is our dining room, very spacious. It can fit an 8-seater. And we have our sink here. We have done all our plumbing works. What is remaining is for her to complete her water tower, do the water connection, then water will come right in from the taps once we open them. You can see this very massive window on the dining. It gives it fresh air and lighting also. So we go into our big spacious kitchen. You can see the amount of cabinetry done here. This is very, very massive. We are almost complete. What is remaining are the touch-ups, the handles and all that. We have also done our sink here. We normally do the double sink. This is the double sink and a tap. For this house, you're using the single system. So the solar or the double system is usually done upon client request, and the price is a bit adjusted. So here we have our laundry room. This is where we have our laundry room direct from the kitchen. You can come do your laundry as you're cooking. When we have done the electrical and plumbing works, then we come back to our back porch. You see how big it is from the design. The back porch was supposed to end right here, but the client decided to add this upon request. So this we added, and we have a big back porch here. But for the grills, she did them herself, and they are turning out very, very well. We have this back door. You can see the beautiful design fabricated by Batir, but the design chosen by the client. So in the kitchen, back to the kitchen, you can see we have our pantry here. It's very spacious, very nice. So now this is like a hallway. This is the living area. Then we have our bedrooms begin here. So we begin with our master bedroom. Here is where we have our walk-in direct when you enter into the room. That is our walk-in closet. Then from there we come to the master bedroom. You can see how massive it is. We have our boards, we have our curtain rods. You have not yet installed, but you're going to. Then we have our master bathroom here, very spacious. We have done our shower. You see, this is a Lorenzetti Ducha shower. It is well done. We have our Frenchia toilet and our Frenchia sink, and all other accessories have been well done. The client did the doors herself. She chose the veneer door. So this is the one that you apply paint on. You can do varnish or paint. So this is a veneer door done by the client. So we go, I had said that it's a 3-bedroom. So we go see the other 2 bedrooms. But before that, there is a room here. There is a very beautiful and spacious room here. This is where we have our prayer room. This is where she will be having her prayers, doing her all that, praying and fasting. So here, the first room we get into is this common room. So this is the cloakroom, but we have a shower and a toilet and a wash hand basin well installed. The other 2 bedrooms will share, and also a visitor will also use the room. We have now the 2nd bedroom. You can see how spacious it is, and the window and the amount of cabinetry done. You can see how big they are. We have very big cabinets and a very big room, spacious for a queen bed. So now we go to the final room. This is the final room where we have also everything well set, and the cabinetry also very well done. What is remaining are the handles, as you can see. This is what is the handles are the only thing that are remaining. Then we complete this house. Thank you for continue following us. Continue sharing and viewing. Thank you.